Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to transfer your TRX tokens from Trust Wallet to Kraken in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step process will help you move your assets securely and efficiently. TRX, the native token of the Tron blockchain, is popular for its speed and low fees, and transferring it between wallets like Trust Wallet and exchanges like Kraken is a common task for managing your portfolio. Before we dive in, a quick heads up. Always double-check addresses to avoid any mishaps, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Make sure you have the latest versions of both apps installed and some TRX in your Trust Wallet to cover network fees. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account on the app or website. Head over to the Deposit section, search for TRX, and select it. Kraken will generate a unique deposit address for you. Copy this address carefully and keep it handy. Step 2. Open your Trust Wallet app. Scroll through your assets until you find TRX, then tap on it to access your wallet balance. Step 3. Tap the Send button in Trust Wallet. You'll be prompted to enter a recipient address. Paste the Kraken deposit address you copied earlier. Take a moment to verify it's correct. One wrong character could send your TRX into the void. Step 4. Enter the amount of TRX you want to transfer. Be mindful of the minimum transfer amounts and fees. Aim to transfer enough to make it worthwhile after deductions. Step 5. Review the transaction details, including the network fee, and hit Confirm. You'll likely need to authenticate with your wallet's security features, like biometrics or a PIN. Once the transaction is broadcasted, it usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours to confirm, depending on network congestion. Head back to Kraken and check your account to see your TRX balance update. And there you have it. Your TRX is now on Kraken, ready for trading or staking. Remember, crypto can be volatile, so stay informed and secure. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.